Everyone tells you that selling digital products is the fastest way to make money online in 2025. And they are right. You can create something once and sell it forever with 100% profit margin and zero inventory costs. But there is a problem, a massive one nobody talks about. The harsh truth is that 99% of beginners never make a single sale. Why? Because they follow outdated advice from gurus and content creators, thinking they need to show their face, build massive audience, or become a daily content machine. But right now, in 2025, that is different, a better way. In this no bias, step-by-step guide, I'm gonna do a live demo showing you exactly what I would do starting from zero to make my first sale using nothing but AI. No followers, no audience, and no showing up on camera. For the past 4 years, I built multiple six-figure income streams, selling courses, ebooks, templates, even software. It's what allowed me to quit my job, travel the world, and everything from my laptop. And here is the secret. The money is in selling it. So we are skipping the fluff. This video is 100% focused on selling digital product. But if you want to learn step by step how to create digital product from zero in less than 3 hours, you can just watch this video where I'm going to show you exactly that. And here is what we will cover. In the phase 1, I will show you how I will pick digital product that is proven moneymaker, which I don't have to create and is going to pay me over $1,000 per sale. In the phase 2, I will show you AI characters which are gaining hundreds of thousands of views, tens of thousands of followers, and making tens, even hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, and how you can create one for yourself which will sell digital products for you 24/7. And in the phase 3, I will show you how to create AI generated viral content, the exact kind of AI faceless creators are using to generate from $5,000 all the way up to $200,000 per month. But even before starting with phase 1, if you'll be enjoying this video, then don't forget to leave a like, and if you want to see more step-by-step tutorials like this one, don't forget to leave a subscribe. And if you want to know what is the #1 strategy to which I'm going to be focusing all of my energy in the rest of 2025, then check the first link down below in the description where you can find free digital copy to my AI influencer playbook. And now let's get started with step 1, picking profitable digital product. So first, what is even digital product? It can be a simple PDF, digital planner, sound effects, course, a cheat sheet for video game, basically anything a person can download, watch, and use instantly. But here is the twist most beginners never hear. You don't have to create it yourself. And I'm not just talking about AI generating PDF. I'm talking about proven marketplaces packed with ready-to-sell products with complete websites, designs, and instant delivery systems. And some digital products can pay you $500 or more for one sale. In a minute, I will show you exactly how you can find those high-paying products and get your first product without creating it or having any creative skills. So just to show you a couple of examples of how this works, for example, this product is going to pay me $48.50 per month. I don't have to create it, it's already created, and it's about achieving peak performance in high stakes, high stress, or high change situations. And if I'm going to check this product, I can see it has working, functional, amazing website. I don't have to create anything at all, and literally everything I need to do is just take unique link connected to this offer, then start promoting it, making sales, and getting away with 50% commission. Then another product paying me $78, and this one is about creating ebooks that you can later turn into profits. Then for example, if you want to help people to lose weight and get into great shape, you can start promoting this digital product, the Healthy Age 8-week lifestyle program, which is going to pay you almost $200 per commission. And then there are also products like Standout online membership program that is for women entrepreneurs, and from this one you can get paid anything in between $30 per month all the way up to $900 per year. And for me, this is a cheat sheet because I don't have to be creating the product from zero. I can literally go to marketplace like this, find the product I'm interested in, and in 5 minutes I can start promoting it and focusing only on how to actually sell it and make money. And now let me show you how you can get access to this marketplace and how I'm going to find the digital product that I'm going to use in this live demo. This marketplace I was showing you is called OfferLab, and this is the place where you can find all of those products that I was showing you. If you want to get priority access into this marketplace, just go to the second link down below in the description and you can get instant access. Right now it's just for application, so you cannot sign up just like that. Then then once you create your account and log into it, you want to go into this place that is called a marketplace. And under marketplace, you can find all of the offers which are right now uploaded in the offer lab, with our hundreds and hundreds of offers. You can find here different categories like is e-commerce, digital goods, courses and coaching, and even experiences. But you can, for example, find different retreats like live workshops or virtual challenges. And this is the exact place where I found all of those products that I was showing you in this video. For example, like this one, Standout Online Membership Program. But the product I'm going to use in this video is this one that is called Unstoppable You 8 Weeks Alcohol-Free Empowerment Program, which is paying a whopping commission of $1,350. As you can see right here, this program is a transformational program designed for women, and I believe this is amazing program, especially if you want to make difference in the world, because there is nothing worse than alcohol addiction. And if you can connect solving a huge problem like alcohol addiction definitely is, and at the same time running online business and making income, this is a perfect combination. And once I found the product that I want to promote and use to generate income, now we need to move to the step 2, what is creating AI salesperson that is going to sell this product for me. What if I told you that the future of selling products online doesn't involve you? If you are not living under a rock, you've probably seen AI influencers taking over the social media. For example, like Maddie, an AI influencer who made over $100,000 per month just by creating simple AI-generated content. She is not a real person, she is just a brand built to sell products online. And as you can see, their posts are getting tens, even hundreds of thousands of views, and most of the videos are just made by simple AI-generated avatar video and text overlay. And of course, some of the videos are talking video, but I went even one step further. I've built my own AI character, built entire YouTube channel with it, and you tell me if you would actually notice that this video is completely AI generated. This is complete game changer, and social media is entering a new era, the era of AI influencers or AI generated characters. Because now you can build a brand completely from scratch where the purpose is just to sell products. So if you ever wanted to build personal brand, faceless brand, or become content creator, because most of the people know that that's where money are, now to do that, you don't have to show your face, you don't have to record content, and you can stay completely faceless in the background and let your own AI influencer or digital twin or AI character to do all the hard work for you. And now I'm going to show you the entire workflow on how to start creating content just like this with your own AI character that has wider potential and is going to sell your digital product. As step 1, I want to go to ChatGPT, and we actually want to generate the AI persona that is going to be the perfect fit for a digital product that we are promoting or selling. So for me, it's going to be AI avatar for a brand that sells an alcohol-free 8-week program. Now, what is extremely important that this avatar should appeal to women between 30 to 50 years old and should be a perfect role model of alcohol addict to alcohol-free. And then what we want to generate is also detailed profile for this character. So we basically get the entire backstory, character traits, and personality of this AI persona. This is going to spit out the entire character profile with name, age, look and vibe, and even a backstory. And once we have this, the only thing that we need to generate is the actual look. So the very first image that we will later use to generate the entire social media presence and also start creating viral content. I would just ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for Midjourney, what I believe is the best AI image generation tool right now. And then I'm just going to copy this prompt. Then I want to go into Midjourney, I will go to create, and then simply just place this prompt image size to 1:1. And for a video, I want to get the HD, so we will get the highest quality possible, and then just click to generate. Just to show you, I'm using Midjourney on a daily basis. You can see I'm generating videos every single day, even generating entire YouTube video using this exact same tool, because you can now see here my model Lee K, for who I created entire Instagram, TikTok, even YouTube channel. But now let's go back to what we have actually created. You can see 4 different images, and each one of these is looking completely different. But this is not a problem, because I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can get consistent AI character or image or face on every single photo or video that you can generate. So I can now see 4 different images, and I can just pick which one is going to be the best for our specific use case. And I would say that this first one or the second one looks the most appealing to the specific target audience that this offer or this digital product I have picked is going to be focusing on. So let's go one step further, and let's say we want to generate an image of our model sitting in a bar. So there is the prompt that I want to use. I'm going to just copy this, but now here is the trick how you can get the consistent images. So first, I'm going to click on this small image at the top, and here you can see an Omni reference. In the Omni reference, what I want to do, I want to add the image that we want to use. So I'm just going to take it, place it into Omni reference, and what is this going to do? That is going to create every single generation with a person on this image. So let me show you how it actually works. Now I'm going to place this prompt, I'm going to click on submit, and let's see what we will get. And now what we got are 4 new images, but all of these 4 images are with the same exact person. If you want to make this more like Instagram friendly, vertical, you want to get a vertical image because then you can create vertical short form video. So I'm just going to click on Omni reference here again, use the same exact prompt, but now in the settings, I just want to change this into 9:16 dimension, and I want to generate a new batch of images. And now all the images are in the vertical dimension. Now let's say that as a next step, we actually want to get some movement and we want to create a video. So let's say that a prompt that I'm going to use, I just want her to be sipping from the glass that she has on the table. So I'm going to again copy this prompt. I'm going to use this image because I liked it the most. I will go to starting frame because now we want to use this as the frame from which the video is going to start because we are generating video now. And I will just place this prompt. And now this is the result. You can see she's sipping from the glass, looking 100% natural, and 99% of people on social media or on the internet wouldn't even know if this is real or AI generated. And once you know the process of generating images with a consistent face and then generating videos from these images, you can start creating unlimited amount of content on social media just by using simple AI tools like Midjourney and ChatGPT. And if you're thinking, Dan, this was too fast and I'm not sure if I can follow up with what you just did in a Midjourney and ChatGPT and it's too difficult and I'm not really tech savvy, then don't worry, you can just go to the first link down below in the description where you can find the AI influencer playbook in which I'm going to show you the most profitable AI characters in the 2025, which are going to absolutely blow up in the next couple of months. And inside of this PDF, you'll be able to find invitation for a course in which I'm going to be showing you everything step by step and how you can launch your first AI character or AI avatar, start generating viral content and then monetizing it with AI generated digital products or affiliate products as I was showing you inside of this video. So if you want to take advantage of this big shift on social media and online business as a whole, then make sure to grab that PDF. But now, once we have the AI generated character, we have the entire story, the entire profile, we have the first image, even first videos. Now we need to move to the next step as AI content with our AI character that has potential to get tens, even hundreds of thousands of views and is actually going to be selling our product. So first, I want to show you how you can generate the easiest content concept possible, and that is text overlay videos. These videos, as you can see, are getting tens, even hundreds of thousands of views, and these videos are just made of 7-second background video of our AI character, and then there is a text overlay. What is the headline? What is usually using just some triggering headline to get people attention, and then sending them into the caption to read something more or just download PDF or comment some specific keyword. If you are a complete beginner, this is a perfect content to start creating because it's extremely simple to create it, and at the same time, it has a huge viral potential and it's extremely effective for selling digital products. How to do that step by step. So first things first, what we will need is to get the idea for a content. So I just asked ChatGPT to give me 3 banger 7-second scripts, and this is what we get. The first is, most women don't realize how 1 glass of wine changes your next day, and then it says steals deep sleep, primes anxiety at 3 a.m. and spikes cravings and bloat. And then we can also add at the end a simple call to action. So now let me show you how we can put it all together. So as a first thing, I just want to download one of these videos that we just generated because this is perfect example for it. And if you want to use content like this on social media, for example, like his Instagram, you can very simply just open your app, get the video inside of your phone, and you can just create and add a headline inside of the app. But if you want to do it all on the laptop or desktop, what you can use is a video editing tool like his Canva, or for example, me, I like to use a CapCut. So inside of the CapCut, I just want to upload a video that we have just generated and downloaded, and then simply just add the text from ChatGPT. And 5 minutes later, I just put it together inside of the CapCut, and this is how the final video is going to look like. So we have the headline and then the pop-ups of what is going to happen, or all the things that these women don't want to be happening on a daily basis if they're going to get 1 glass of wine. Now, if I would want to take this to the next level and I want to sell the digital product directly in the video, what I could do is just add call to action as an extra text right here. For example, like comment below XYZ if you want to get access to 8-week program, for example, or I can just add there read caption, and then in the caption I would explain the story of this AI persona, and then maybe get a call to action to download the PDF in the bio, or again just comment something specific. If you don't really know what I mean by this, we can check one of my accounts that is called Mr629, what is completely faceless account on which I was generating this exact content that I'm showing you right now, but without using AI persona. But I can tell you it's going to work even better with AI, but it's just in the process of changing it for AI, and some of them even 2 million views, as you can see right here. And what I'm doing in these videos, that I just explain some concept, or I just create some hook, and then I tell them, hey, go, as you can see right here, read a caption, and then in the caption I just break down the process in the 5-step what they could do, and then at the end I give them call to action, comment below ready, and I will send it to you in the DMs. And then if they will say ready in the comments, what is happening, that this automation start directly talking with them, and then at the end actually going to provide them link to the product that I'm promoting or selling, what could be digital product, affiliate product, or anything that you want to sell. Another option could be that you can just link the product directly into the profile, and they can just click on the link in the bio, and they can just go directly into the free PDF or a product that I'm promoting right now. But by far the best way is to be actually using the chat automation, but that's not something what we are covering in this video. But once again, you can find it in the course that you can find in the PDF down below in the description. And that's actually how you can monetize your AI avatar. So the main goal of this tutorial was to show you how you can build your own AI salesperson that can be creating the content. You can build the entire brand around it. It's going to have a story, a profile, character, and then I showed you how you can start creating simple faceless content, but the content can be even more difficult. It could be text overlay videos, it could be talking videos, it could be even tutorials. Just to show you an example of a video that got 170,000 views on my TikTok account, you can see this video got 170,000 views, and most people watching this video, they would think that this is actually created and recorded by myself. But this right here, what you can see, is actually my digital twin, my talking twin that I'm using to generate YouTube videos, as you saw on the Lee, or for example my Instagram, TikTok, or second YouTube channel. So the bottom line is, in 2025, you don't have to be showing up your face on a social media, you don't have to become content creator, you can just create AI character and build the entire brand around it, and it's going to take you way less time. You can generate way more content without wondering what will people think about you, what if a family member is going to see it, or what your colleagues are going to say about it, or your partner maybe. All of this goes from the table, and now in 2025 it doesn't really matter where you are from, how old you are. You can build your brand, you can sell digital products without showing your face, just by leveraging AI tools. So if you enjoyed this video, then make sure that you're going to leave a like. If you want to see more in-depth step-by-step tutorials on AI, online business, and monetizing AI, then make sure that you're going to leave a subscribe. And once again, I cannot stress it more, if you want to get access to the AI influencer playbook, in which I'm going to show you the biggest opportunities of AI characters and AI avatars and influencers in 2025, then make sure that you will grab it, because in that PDF I'm going to show you the hottest examples of AI avatars making tens, even hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, and then giving you simple actionable steps how you can replicate those systems, those avatars, so you can build one for yourself. But for this video, this was everything from me. I'm wishing you a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you in the next one.